Alright guys, want to shoot one more quick video today. One of my favorite cars. Basically I bought it for myself and got involved in that Corvette back there and everything. So yeah, so it's for sale on the lot now. I think I may have somebody coming from Kentucky to purchase it first thing in the morning. So I wanted to make a quick video of it. I love the WS6s. Of course, it's got the LS1. Excuse the rope there drying out. But 98 WS6 package, LS1. It is an automatic, not quite as fun, but nevertheless, pretty good looking car. It's got 113 on the mile, so it has a few miles, but not too bad for a 98. But let me pop the door on it real quick. It's a clean car. Planned on turning this car into just a fun little weekend drag car. It's going to put a 4000 Yank stall in it, and these Toyo drag radials on. I want to give them a shot. My tire guy talked me into these instead of Mickey Thompson drag radials. Put 2-stage holder plugs. Like I said, I planned on doing the stall drag radials and a little bit of nitrous. So I went 2-stage holder plugs, but like I said, it kind of just got lost in the mix of things, and we're just gonna sell it how it is, and mainly stock, but a super nice car. Everything works on it. T-tops don't leak or anything. I had the windows blacked out 5%, had the T-tops blocked out 5%. Just an overall clean car. No, it's 98. It's no, super expensive new Corvette video or anything like that, but I just like showing older cars in my videos, and nothing crazy, but at the same time cool stuff. And yeah. And how about the weather around here today? It's about to get ugly, it looks like, but yeah, continue to follow, subscribe please, and I'll continue to update my videos, and we'll be getting some cool videos of some riding in some cars, doing some pulls and stuff. The weather's been a little crazy, and just been taking videos, kind of introducing myself more than actually doing driving videos and that kind of stuff. So yeah, there you have it. The garage looks kind of cool right now. WS6, the old school Camaro, and of course you have the C6 back there. But yeah, keep watching. Appreciate it. Thank you.